If I ask you a very simple question, can you be a millionaire? Can you be rich? Very, very rich. My dear friends, most of us, 95% of us, don't even have courage to say yes loudly. Why? Because of the mindset that we have here. Somehow our mind believes, यार तू अमीर कभी हो ही नहीं सकता है. Such strong conditioning we have inside that our mind is not letting us to go freely and get rich, get whatever we want in our lives. Yeah, my dear friends, सोचने में किसी के बाप का क्या जाता है, but we can't even think. We can't even, we don't have guts, we don't have this courage to think from our minds that we can get extraordinarily rich. Friends, this is conditioning. This is the mindset that we are into since our childhood. You remember when you were a child, your mother used to say, when nobody is there inside the room, why is the fan on? Why is the AC on? Why is the bulb on when there is nobody inside the room? So many times you have heard this statement, right? This is all mindset. So these are all middle class mindset. Do you remember going out for a restaurant, your parents telling you, this restaurant, if you go to this restaurant, we'll spend around 500 rupees. Let's go to this restaurant, we'll end up spending 350 rupees. Such differentiation for 50 rupees, 100 rupees. Nobody is wrong, but this is all the mindset, friends. We meet people. Whenever we meet people, first thing we want to know is वो कितना कमाता है, उसकी सैलरी कितनी है. Morning to night, the middle class and lower class people, they have only one thing in mind is money, money and money. Since morning till night, from the time they wake up till the night they sleep, they want to discuss only about money. Money is the center point for them. Friends, don't get wrong. I am not pointing anybody of you or neither me, nobody. But we are talking about the mindset. This is the mindset of middle class people. Middle class or lower class people, you don't differentiate rich and middle class people in terms of money. The person having crores or 100 crores or 50 crores or 10 crores or 1 crore rupees money in their account or with themselves, they are not called rich. And the person who is lacking money is not called poor. That's what we are discussing here. It's about the mindset. It's about the conditioning that they have in their minds. What is the difference between the mindset of both the classes of people? I'll explain you with an example. What is middle class mindset typical like? I'll just explain you with this very good example. Now there was a dog. The dog was used to sit outside a bungalow. There was a beggar nearby the dog. Now the next bungalow person, one day he came up to the beggar. He asked the beggar, why does this dog cries most of the time? Whenever I see this dog, he's just crying. Why is it so? The beggar said, because there is a nail, keel. That nail is there inside below the dog. He's sitting on the nail. Then the person asks, why doesn't he get up and go and sit somewhere else? Why is he sitting on the nail? The beggar said, अभी इतना दर्द नहीं हो रहा है. So basically, the dog is in his comfort zone right now. Same is the case with us. Most of the people who are working or who are into the jobs or doing normal businesses, they are basically in their comfort zone. They don't want to do anything radical that might change their entire life, entire journey. They are not willing to take the pains to get up and go and sit somewhere else. They are not having the vision to get up from here and go and taste the sweetness of some other place. They are not willing to take that risk. They are not willing to go that extra mile. This is what I want you to understand, friends. Most of us, you have to believe this, that in order to change the reality, you've got to change the conditioning. Change the mindset and change the reality. What are the basic emotions that some of the emotions are making our mindset really poor, my dear friends? The number one is fear. Most of our friends who are still doing average in their lives, what is it because? It is because of the fear. We don't want to leave our jobs and start a business because we fear that we'll lose money. We fear that we'll not be able to pay our children's school fees. We fear that we will not be able to pay the electricity bill, will not be able to manage our expenses, whatever money, whatever salary we are drawing, we don't want to lose that. The middle class and poor class mindset is the mindset of fear. We don't want to part our ways with the money that we are already earning. We have fear in our mind. The middle class mindset is self pity. They always keep on cursing themselves for the life that they are having. हमारी ज़िंदगी तो यही रहने वाली है, ऐसे ही रहने वाली है. This is the biggest drawback, or the biggest hindrance that middle class is not able to go to the rich class. They have greed inside them, they have envy inside them, they are envy of the people, of the other friends, relatives who are earning more money. This is the mindset of the middle class. Now the rich class mindset is gratitude. They want to thank God, they want to thank nature, they want to thank people who have come into their lives and have made their lives so beautiful. They want to have they want to have peace in their life. They want to share love. They have positive expectations from other people, from themselves, from God, from everyone. They believe in abundance. So basically, my dear friends, the difference is of emotions, the difference is of expectation, the difference is of mindset, and not the money. And this mindset, the negative mindset, this mindset is stopping us from being from landing into the rich class and keeping us into the middle class theory. My dear friends, again, I would like to conclude this beautiful topic. Being poor is a mindset and not a financial status. Put this in your mind. If you are poor, or if you are middle class, or either you are rich, it is because of your mindset and not because of your financial status. Your mindset determines what category you belong to. Change your mindset and change the reality. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.